Welcome to today's video. In just a few minutes, you'll get 20 short questions and answers that make learning fun and easy. No more boring textbook reading. You can find all the questions in the description if you'd like to follow along. Pause anytime to read thoroughly, test yourself, and master the topic. This video is designed for active recall, so revisit it regularly for the best results. Say goodbye to dull paragraphs and hello to smarter learning. Let's dive in. General understanding questions. 1. What is the primary focus of financial analysis in long-term investment decisions? Answer. It focuses on estimating the cost of the asset project and the benefits receivable over its economic life. 2. Why is estimating benefits considered more challenging than estimating costs? Answer. Estimating benefits is difficult because it involves future periods with inherent risks and uncertainties, whereas costs are typically incurred in the current period. 3. What are the two approaches for estimating benefits in financial analysis? Answer. The two approaches are I. Cash inflow and 2. Accounting profit. Logic and reasoning questions. 4. Why is the cash flow approach considered superior to the accounting profit approach for estimating benefits? Answer. Cash flows are a better measure of net economic benefits because they align with the actual cash outflows of investments and avoid distortions caused by non-cash items or varying accounting methods. 5. What is the key difference between cash flow and accounting profit? Answer. The key difference lies in the inclusion of non-cash items, example, depreciation, in accounting profit and the reliance on accounting policies like inventory valuation and depreciation methods. 6. How does the cash flow approach account for the time value of money? Answer. The cash flow approach recognizes the time value of money by considering the timing of actual cash inflows and outflows, unlike accounting profit, which follows the accrual concept. 7. Why are incremental cash flows crucial for evaluating new investments or replacement decisions? Answer. Incremental cash flows isolate the additional costs and benefits directly attributable to the decision, providing a clear basis for evaluating its financial viability. Detailed conceptual questions. 8. What are the three types of cash flows associated with a proposal? Answer. The three types are I. Initial cash flow, 2. Subsequent cash flow, and 3. Terminal cash flow. 9. What does the initial cash flow represent, and why is it significant? Answer. Initial cash flow represents the cash spent on acquiring the asset, including costs like purchase, installation, and transportation to bring it to a workable condition. It is significant as it is the primary investment outlay. 10. What is a sunk cost, and why is it irrelevant for long-term investment decisions? Answer. A sunk cost is a cost already incurred or committed and cannot be recovered. It is irrelevant because it does not impact future decisions or the financial viability of the current proposal. 11. Under what condition does the cost of land become relevant for initial investment? Answer. If the land has an alternative use, its opportunity cost is relevant. If new land is required, its purchase cost becomes part of the initial investment. Application and intention questions. 12. How does the use of opportunity cost in financial analysis improve decision-making? Answer. Considering opportunity cost ensures that all alternatives are evaluated and resources are allocated to their most valuable use. 13. Why is it important to ignore sunk costs when estimating initial investment costs? Answer. Ignoring sunk costs prevents past expenditures from biasing decisions about future investments, focusing only on relevant costs. 14. How does the inclusion of non-cash items, like depreciation, affect accounting profit in investment analysis? Answer. Non-cash items distort accounting profit by reducing it without affecting actual cash flows, potentially misleading investment evaluations. Critical thinking questions. 15. What challenges might arise when estimating cash inflows for long-term projects? Answer: challenges include predicting future market conditions, dealing with uncertainties, assessing risk levels, and accurately estimating the timing and magnitude of cash inflows. 16. How does the accounting policy choice, example, depreciation method, affect investment analysis outcomes? Answer: different accounting policies can lead to varying reported profits, which might skew comparisons or evaluations if accounting profit is used instead of cash flow. 17. What factors should be considered when estimating the initial cash outflow of a project? Answer: factors include asset cost, installation and transportation costs, incidental costs, opportunity costs, and excluding sunk costs. Core takeaway questions. 18. Why are cash flows considered a better measure than accounting profits for long-term investment evaluation? Answer: cash flows provide a realistic representation of economic benefits, align with cash outflows, and account for the time value of money. 19. What is the primary advantage of using incremental cash flows in replacement decisions? Answer: incremental cash flows focus only on the additional benefits and costs directly resulting from replacing old assets, ensuring an accurate evaluation of the decision. 20. How does recognizing time value of money contribute to the cash flow approach's superiority? Answer: it ensures that future cash inflows and outflows are appropriately discounted to reflect their present value, leading to more accurate investment appraisals.